Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. As you can see, we're in the car. We just left church actually, and I like my fit and I love the sun on my skin right now. So I was like, oh, let me record the video that I've been wanting to record. Anyway, the word on the street is the vlog is about to be 10 times better. Okay, thanks to my darling husband who got me the DJI. You guys. Okay, this is something I wanted for a bit, and since I found out about it and I was like, oh my god, I wanted to do vlogs and all of that. And I remember telling my husband like I wanted it and everything, and he was like, do vlogs first. Like, I think for him it was more of like, show me that you're serious with this thing and then we'll get the camera that you need. You guys are trying to be slow because so that the thing doesn't fall. But anyway, I started vlogging, and I think I had my 4th vlog video, and he got me the camera because I was like, okay, I guess you're serious now, you're doing what you said you were going to do, and so I'm going to support you. And for those of you who have been watching our vlogs, you know that he's been supporting me from day one. Like, every single equipment I have, like my mic, my tripod, my everything, he got it for me. And honestly, I'm so grateful. Oh my god, the sun just left, but it's fine, we still look really good. I'm so grateful. But now he got me the DJI, and I'm just like, is it DJI or DJI? I feel like a lot of people say DJI, and so I'll just stick with that anyway. But yeah, this is very exciting. This is something I wanted, and I wanted to unbox it for a minute, but I was just like, let me wait for for a time where I can sit down and actually open it and unbox it for you guys, so you guys can see it and then we can have that experience. This vlog is going to be a very short vlog, so thank you for watching. Welcome to the vlog again. If I didn't say it before, welcome to the vlog. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you've been enjoying all my vlogs so far. If there's certain things that you would want to see, please let me know in the comment section or in my Instagram. My Instagram is Oluwatamilore, OLUWATAMILOR, and 3 E's, right? REE. And I also put it here in the vlog, but you can also send me a DM or send me something and be like, hey, I like this, I want to see this, or stuff like that, and I'll be sure to do that as well. All right, so let's kind of like open this. I hope I'll be able to do that in the car. We're going through a slope and so I'm just like, but my husband is doing a great job to try to help me, which is, I'm very grateful for this man right here, man. He's really driving slowly so that I can get this content. This video is probably going to be like 10 minutes long max. We're going to go and get like grocery stuff for cooking, so like meat, chicken, all of that. Anyway, let me see. I think there's a first nylon over it, and I know my nails will be able to do justice because I did not take my scissors, my unboxing scissors, so I hope that my nails can. The benefits of having long nails, okay, or acrylic nails. Can you guys see? So this is the pack, and so it comes with a couple of things. So it comes with the DJI itself, the Osmo Pocket 3. It comes with a protective cover. It comes with a handle with a thread. Comes with a wrist strap, it comes with a Type-C cable, and then manuals. So I'm going to unbox this, and I have some things in my cart for the DJI, like my Amazon cart. I'm getting like a black what's it called, like a black holder, so it's so that the DJI can be protected. It's like a protective cover, and then like a small mini like tripod holder for the DJI. And then screen covers for the lens, because cannot break. All right, then let me open the actual. So let's open this. Anyway, so when you open it, you have about, oh my gosh, so many things just fell on. A couple of manuals, so the box, a couple of manuals, and I guess stickers actually, which is cute. Stickers. I thought it came with a memory card. I find that interesting. I don't have that. So these are the 2 things that are in the bag, the major 2 things. So the first thing is, I believe this is the DJI. Long nails have pros and cons, guys, but You guys, I've only seen this at Best Buy. This is the DJI. Oh my god. Did you guys see that movement just now? Okay, and then the camera is right here. So this is what it looks like. This is the camera. The camera still has a film over it. And so that's kind of like what it looks like. That is the DJI. And it has a case that you can put it in. So if you're not, I guess if you're not using it, you can put it back in the case. So I'm just going to close this because I'm not using it right now. I still need to learn how to like close it, wrap it up, all of those things. But in the meantime, oh, I figured it out. Fast learner, Nimi. You know, my space is telling me some interesting stuff, which is one of the reasons why I got DJI. Comes with this. It's like a holder and all of that, and then it comes with like a cord and I don't know what else, and I guess the holder. So that's really all that's in DJI. So I'm going to set it up. I really like the sun on my face today, man. I should have taken a picture of my outfit, but I didn't. I'll try and take it when I get home. And yeah, I think I'm going to post it on IG. So I'm going to take a picture of that, and when I get home, I'm going to set up my camera to my DJI actually to the setting that it's supposed to be on, and save that setting because we cannot be setting every time. But I'm very excited, and I know you guys can see because I'm just smiling like throughout. But yeah, see you guys soon. Hi guys, so we just got back from church, and I'm trying to record this video as quickly as I can. As you can see, I'm still wearing my outfit. I haven't seen it yet. So I said I was going to set up the DJI, and basically that's what I'm going to do right now. The language is in English, so yes. Okay, so oh my god, actually this thing is actually really like clear. But let's set it up, okay? So I'm watching a video to use to set it up. The first thing I'm going to do is to set up the, so basically to shoot in 4K. I'll have to record this video later, or do it and then show you guys what I did, because it's not giving me the option to. I think I need a memory card to set it up, so let me figure that part out and then we'll come back. All right? Okay. So I realized that I didn't end the vlog for the DJI, and that's because I had to figure it out off camera. So this is the ending of that vlog. I'm actually sick right now. Well, sickish. I have like a really terrible cough, and I'm hearing that there's a cough going around. So honestly, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I basically watched a video on IG on how to set it up, and yeah, so that's basically what I did, and now I've set it up for myself. Basically what I just did was I changed the settings. I'm now vlogging D-Log, and that's because I can easily, with D-Log, I can easily do like color grading and stuff like that, and it works for dark skinned girls, right? And as you can tell, I am dark skinned, right? My nails look really good, but anyway, I'm not feeling too well, and I'm just like, I need to close out that video. I love you guys. Bye. Have a great day, I guess. Bye. Oh, and I'm sure you guys have noticed we've gone back to once a week for vlogs, and I'm very excited about that.
hopefully I can keep up with the demand in terms of content, but I'm not putting too much pressure on myself, but at the same time I want to be consistent. But anyway, this is I look interesting. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications. As of the time of this video, we're at 298 subscribers, so I'm hoping that we'll be at 300 by the time this video posts. Love you guys. Bye.